Right, I forgot to show you the room. We always forget to show you the room. But this is the room. There's Dean.
Come with the couch.
It comes with the couch. This is like our mess all around the room. The room. There's the bed over there. And we can walk through the bathroom. So we'll go all the way around. There's a shower. There's a shower. There's a bath. There's a couple of sinks and a mirror with a light on.
It's flash though.
There's a toilet.
What?
What? It's me.
Flash bathroom.
It is a very flash bathroom.
Isn't that bathroom at home?
Yeah. It's lovely.
Blasé, like, it's nothing. It's a fantastic room.
No, it is. It's lovely. It's the lowest. Well, when I booked it, it was the lowest level of club room access. So we get like the club room at this level, which is considered a suite. And oh, hot tub time machines are open again. You can see out of the window as well because they've been cleaning the windows.
Yeah, raining off ropes doing that.
Yeah.
I have to.
Yeah, they don't have the trolley thing. And that in the distance.
It's called a cradle trolley.
A cradle trolley thing. Is that what's called? A cradle trolley thing?
Cradle.
That's the Standard Hotel. Anyone who knows in the hotel in New York, the Standard High Line is part of that brand. But yeah, we're going to go for dinner now. And then we're going to go to Chatuchak Night Market.
No, it's £3.
£3.
My old Ralph Lauren.
I know, Ralphie.
Not bad.
Yeah. Right. Love you, bye. Morning. We just come in the buffet for breakfast. We haven't gone in the lounge because I fancied that. And you can pick it. And then you're going to have a Thai for breakfast, yeah?
I just had spinach for breakfast. It's lovely.
Yeah.
I feel like Popeye now.
Was it warm?
Yeah, it's lovely.
No, I'm going to have some then.
I apologise for any spinach in my tea.
I watched a vlog on. No, that's the one where you fry it. Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, you fry it.
Yeah. Which we could do. But it's the next one. Yeah, I want to boil it. It's I think that's the same sort of thing though. It's like a buffet.
Yeah.
You just say what you want and they tick it all off. This is it, here. You just go on the outside, I think, to get in it. Oh, it looks busy. Busier than the last one, isn't it?
Yeah. Number. So you know what to do, yeah?
Yeah, I watched a vlog on what to do.
$1.
Yeah.
You have to pay at a counter or something.
No, you pay at the end, I think. Yeah. Right. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so we couldn't get in the hot one, so we've come to this place, which is literally next door, which I did show you. We're ordering this set, and just like literally there. We have to pick up our veg and our noodles and our sauces, but we're going to order this one. Unfortunately, I can't order on the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to have to get the person to come over and order off them.
Yeah.
But once it comes, you cook it, boil it, eat it. Yeah, this is the sauces and all the vegetables and noodles. So I'm going to fill my plates. Right, okay, so that was difficult. I couldn't film and pick the sauces at the same time, but there's loads of different sauces. I think that one's a tamarind, that one is the signature sauce, that one could be spicy. I think That's the sauce. That's the spicy sauce. That one's obviously garlic, and that one I think might be a fish sauce. But you get like the water in that gets put in that. So we sort of cook the veg in the water, and then when the meat comes, we put the meat on that. And I guess that sucks up all the air.
God knows.
When the thingy comes round though, you need to tell me because I need to film it.
Yeah.
The electronic waiter. Yeah. I know. Yeah. You don't just have to do a set menu either. Like,
See other people.
that's the first set menu. He's checking out. I checked out as we came in. But they do like pork set menu.
Well, you put your noodles on the edges then and this.
Yeah. And the reason why this one's less popular is it's just not as cheap. Because you can order some more, like more meat. You don't have to do a set menu. Here we are. Where is he? Oh, he's there.
That's the robot, isn't it?
The robot, yeah. But you do need to order on...
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, we had to order by person, but you asked for if you're on Wi-Fi, you can order on the app. But
Everything's on the line now.
on
isn't
the
it?
line, yeah. I'm gonna have a quick film of the sauces. That's what we just got. That's to share. That's quite a lot.
Yeah. That's chicken, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, he's now going to try and stick it on there. And it starts cooking. Lovely.
So put all the chicken on first.
Yeah. We got it going. But you know you can use them.
Oh, what is it? Prongs.
It might be easier than you trying to chopstick it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell the chilli. It's going up my nose.
It ran well.
Yeah, it's hot. Coming. Well, we destroyed that.
Yeah, look. Not a mark on me.
Yeah, no, I'm the same. I felt like I was flicking it
I thought I
everywhere.
was going to get covered in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't got it on me and I'm wearing
Yeah,
white as
burnt
well.
there.
Gonna sweat our bollocks off now.
I hope you're not saying naughty words.
I was just repeating what you said.
I would never say anything that unclassy.
So this market starts on 6 p.m. on a Friday, and it is a minute to 6 p.m. on a Friday. You can get here by the above ground or the metro. And the metro is quite literally Chatuchak Park metro station, and the one that we just got off on the above ground is the Mochi. Sounds a lot naughtier than it's actually spelled, so. And we definitely couldn't walk to this one from our hotel.
Yeah.
I think there's a nice park here as well. I looked at a hotel near here because I was pricing up going to Phuket and flying from, there's like 2 airports in Bangkok. The one that we fly into, and then there's another one nearer here, or it's easier to get to from here. but we never got round to doing it. Maybe one day. You can even change your money here at the market. It's still not as busy. I guess it gets busier as the night goes on, but it's still not as busy as it is on Saturday and Sunday. I don't know if I could come here during the day though, because it's so hot, isn't it? We came here once before and it was just tiring. Definitely, but not when you're sweating. Like, do you remember? I felt like I was going to faint at one point. You do sweat. Yeah. Now keep walking. So I nearly bought an outfit. Nearly bought an outfit, and I got put off because he lowered the price by 90 baht to 1,000. So what? We'll come back that way. 1,300. But there was a woman on the stall as well who was incredibly rude, who wouldn't get out of my way so that I could use the mirror, and she was taking over everything. And he dropped from, I think, 1,400 to 800 baht. So yeah, I walked away because I thought he wasn't budging for me, but he dropped massively for her, and I was being polite. So now Dean's looking at some shirts. Oh, looking at these shirts.
I think it's just a walk.
I don't think there is many bags I haven't got now. You're gonna have to build me another wardrobe. He's staying silent.
I'm not saying a word.
He's not saying a word. I have to be honest.
What about this market?
Yeah, we've come here. This is now the third time we've come here, and we're like, have we just been unlucky? Has it been a miss every time we've come here? And this is the third miss. So
Maybe.
I don't think it's that great. I think once you've been to the other places like Platinum Mall and you see how cheap it is, you're seeing the same stuff here at like 3 times the price. We're gonna have a pussycat. Hello, baby.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, like you know how cheap it should be. So then you're like, oh, I might as well just go back to Platinum. They don't do yellow skirts anywhere. Sex and the City ruins it for everyone. Because she had a yellow skirt in there, and then they decided to charge a lot of money for it.
Look at the dresses in there.
No, they're all a bit, something's wrong with them.
Only for you.
Only for me.
It's fine, same all of everything.
Yeah, but it goes back to the market. There it is. Yeah. Oh, there she is. You can see her little face. Hello, baby. Oh, we were here. We were here. I remember seeing that.
We're going back that way,
Yeah.
yeah?
Yeah.
Here?
Mm.
Here?
Yeah. We could just go. Like home.
What do you want?
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't feel it. And I'm not coming here tomorrow either.
Oh, yeah,
I'll go to Platinum and you come here, yeah? He hates me doing the panning shots because he carries on walking.